Make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make by not testing fuses. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20 if you're having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those, you have a problem guys, where you need to find the fuse for the center stack control switch. That's the one for the radio volume, for the tuner, also the climate controls, and you have the different buttons there for the Parktronics and all that stuff. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. We'll also explain how it can affect where you cannot turn the volume up and down on your radio because of that fuse as well. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So most people will open the hood. This specifically it's 2018 Dodge Challenger, but let me show you guys. Okay, most people will look for the fuse in that fuse box, but it's not there guys. It's actually a different location. And if we come towards the back, okay, you can see car was in a little bit of an accident, but runs and drives like a champ. We'll be fixing it soon. A little bit of a fender bender here. So if we come here, we'll open the trunk. Now it's always recommended to turn the ignition switch off. And for some important fuses, it's even recommended to disconnect the car battery before removing fuses and relays. Otherwise, you can damage the electrical systems, computers and modules. Also, on these new vehicles, guys, it's really important to know which battery terminal to disconnect first and which one to reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn computers and modules again. How we know that? We learned that the hard way by spending $2,000 on a new airbag module for a Mercedes vehicle, guys. So there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out. So we'll come right here, open that fuse box by pressing here. Okay, check this thing out and pulling up like that. Now, the fuse that we need to check. First, let's talk why it's super important to test fuses, because sometimes you cannot clearly see if fuses are burned, and if you assume it's good, or you cannot sometimes see that it's bad fuse, you think it's perfectly fine fuse, you will put it back in and you may spend time, money guys, buying new switches, parts, tools that you don't need to. Okay, so always test fuses, relays. I'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays. If we come in that block right here from left to right, 1, 2, 3, that 10 amp fuse guys, that 10 amp fuse, that's the one for the volume, the center stack right there. So on the center stack. So we'll go ahead, okay, and pull it out and replace it with a new one. Now, if you guys, okay, still here have problems, what else it could be? Install the fuse, and you may need to use a computer guys resetting tool in some cases, not often, but we've seen that before where it happened. You may need to use a computer that can access every computer system in your Dodge Challenger. This is an amazing computer. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. So you can check price, features, but it works on almost any car you can think of. And what's really cool about that computer guys, you can access every computer system, reset the codes and see if that fixes the problem. If you still have problems there, okay, we'll make a video how to replace the center console switches as well. All that will be on our channel too, so check it out guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.